What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to change the social media icons that came into the demo sliders on Slider Revolution WordPress plugin. Can you see? Into the bottom left corner of my screen there is a Twitter icon and a Facebook icon. How to change these icons, okay? This is what we're gonna learn in this video. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and like this video. After, go to your WordPress dashboard. To access dashboard, on the browser address bar, enter your domain plus WP admin, enter with your login credentials. You're going to be able to see a page almost like this one. Scroll down until you find Slider Revolution button to the left side of menus. Click on it. Then let's find your slider. In my case, search models. The slider is called Home Slider. Hover your mouse over it and click into the pencil icon. The editor is loading. The icons that appears is a global layer. I have a video explaining how to access global layers. So into the upper left corner of your screen, next to back button, we have add layers and global layers. Click on it. And here are my icons. The Twitter no longer exists, so I would like to change this icon. Review the bottom right corner of my screen. We have a code right here. This FA means Font Awesome Icon Spec. So the slider use Font Awesome. You can just change from Twitter to Instagram, for example. And here is the result. You can enter an action. Let me go to my Visualmodo website so I can get the Instagram page link. The simple link that gonna opens my Instagram. Let me do the same with the Facebook. I can change from Facebook, for example, to YouTube, just like this. And I can enter an action, just like this. Let me copy the link, place it right here, and you are good to go. Now the links are changed, okay? And you can follow this way. iClass FA and the name of social media. Of course, there is other ways to apply icons. You can even apply icons as images on your slider, on your media library, and apply links on it. Save change and you are good to go. And that is. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best.